actually, but this pillow paint is Benjamin Moore, called Marine Blue. I just wanted to use it up. Hopefully you won't even see it. I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm thinking of like a swipe with really cool lacing. And then, je ne sais pas. I do not know. So, I'm just using colors that I already have mixed up, you know? Why don't we go, what am I doing? I don't even know. This is TLP Constellation. And I'm going to swipe this way. So what are we doing? I probably should have planned better, right? All right, why don't we do Constellation? You know what, let me do this first. We're gonna go Galaxy first because it's darker. Okay, TLP Galaxy. And I'm gonna keep it concentrated here because I'm swiping that way, this way. So I'm gonna keep the colors concentrated there, and then I'll top it with Constellation. Sorry, Elliot's listening to really loud stuff on his phone. All right, here's Constellation. Okay, we will see how this looks. So I do not know. All right, I'm gonna take my swiper. I should clean it really good. I'm gonna take my swiper. I'm gonna put my Cell Activator on the back. It's the Shelly Art recipe. I use about 3:1 Australian Floetrol to titanium white. I'm gonna put it on the back, frost the back, and then see what happens. Frosty, frosty. Okay, here we go, just like that. Now, oh, there's already air bubbles. Normally I would pick them out, but whatever. Who has time? I do have a swiping video. If you want to check it out. I don't remember the number, to be honest. Okay, so we have that going on. Let's see when it calms down what it looks like. Now, what are we doing on top of this? I call this a waterfall swipe, where I just load a bunch of colors and swipe it down and you kind of see the gradients. I'm sure maybe there's another name for it, but that's what I call it. Okay, so we have these cool cells and lacing. So what happens is, if I bloom on top of this, it will just kind of push them and distort them, which you can't really avoid. But why don't I do it anyways, right? Because the colors are really cool. I'm going to push this way so it doesn't fall down this way. Now, there's one little, I just want to connect this in case we see it because it's bothering me for my OCD. Pretend there's cells there. And it gives me time to think of a plan, which we don't know what's happening yet. Plan, Lisa Marvin. What even colors do we have? Okay, so we have the purple gray background, which looks really cool. And I don't really want to take away from it. Why don't I do a little side bloom maybe? So we have our TLPs down. Why don't I start with a two paint? I don't have many two paints, mind you, mixed up. So I'll start with this Titan Buff, okay? And I'm gonna put like just a little bit, all right? Then on top of the Titan Buff, why don't I do, this is TLP Venus. Okay. I want to do it really small because I want to keep the background the main focus maybe. Okay, on top of that, I have Payne's Gray Amsterdam mixed up into my pouring medium. It's a little thick, so I'm just going to drizzle it a bit. Okay. Then, why don't I do TLP Velvet? Oop. that. Blue interference. All right, and finally, I've been using this color a lot. It's for my past video. Prussian blue mixed with TLP sequins, which gives it a really nice sparkle. And I'll use my white cell activator again. And we'll see how it goes. I don't know. At least the background looks cool so far. Okay. Cool colors. I blew into the pillow paint a bit here because some of my paints are really heavy. And because of that, I didn't blow very far. So I think I should do another bloom because that will just look really weird. But let me just do this for a minute. Really cool colors right there. Whatever those colors are, they're looking good. Okay. Oh my God, Elliot's listening to TikTok so loud. All right, we're gonna do the same thing again. So I like what's happening. I should probably thin my paints out a bit, to be honest. So to do that, I'm gonna grab my Joe Sonia. What was really thick? The paint, my two paints were pretty thick. Payne's Gray, Titan, and the Prussian. Okay, so let's start again. We'll do another small one. Because we just go with the flow here, right? All right, I'm gonna do a small one right here. So I put some Joe Sonia in here. Still pretty thick, actually. Bloop. I hope this is all worth it. I mean, the colors are cool, at least. Okay, so we'll go here. All right. And then, what did I do? We don't even know. Oh, I think I did, doesn't really matter, but I think I did Venus. Okay. Then I think I did Payne's Gray. Then I think I did Velvet, and then the other one. Okay. And we'll try it again. Oops, I think I made that one bigger. See, you want to be careful. You don't want to ruin your cells like I just did. Okay. All right, let's see what's up. I definitely like this color combo. I don't know if it's actually, this whole thing is going to be worth it yet, but we know this color combo works. And I don't like how they're not connected yet, so we have to do something about that. You know, to make them look like they're sisters somehow. All right. right. I mean, is all this work worth it? We don't know yet. Ready? We'll find out in a second. Pretty strange. I definitely like the background, at least. You know? It's a pretty cool background. Ooh, don't get mad. It's kind of nuts. Definitely not my normal situation. I want this corner off a bit more. Okay. I mean, the effect is really cool. The galaxy and constellation in the back. How are we doing? Yeah, we can spin a bit more this way. Is it too busy? Maybe. I know Elliot will like it. He likes busy things. What am I looking at here? Okay. Which way would I even look at it? No. No. They kind of look like broken apart blooms in the universe, you know? I don't know. It's kind of weird. But like, kind of interesting. Oh, guys, I don't know. Okay, listen. I'm gonna bring you to the light so you can at least see the sparkle. Is this like nuts? Is this too busy? Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for sticking around. Bye.